Kolter Homes. Homes that are built around you. The Allison floor plan offers a variety of options for your unique personalization. Here's an example that allows you to convert your flex room into a fitness room by enclosing the room with double doors. Now you can focus on your workout without distracting the rest of your household. For many people, a garage is an essential part of the home. If you're looking for more stow space, you can extend it by 4 feet. And one of the best things about living in Florida is enjoying outdoor living. And the additional screen enclosure for your covered lanai is one of the most popular options for many owners. Now you can use and enjoy your outdoor space year-round. Speak with a new home guide to explore the many ways you can have this floor plan built around you. With Kolter Homes, the choices are yours.